I'm going to go ahead and record a video for your retake ticket. This is all of the hard polygons. This allows you to do any of the problems that don't have the information you already need. So the answers are on the back, but it doesn't help if you don't understand the work. So looking at these problems, if you notice, I still start every single problem 1/2 AP. That way, if you have the apothem and the perimeter, you're done. You know which ones are which. So the first problem, 1/2 AP. We don't know until we look at the picture what's missing. I added this on here. So we have the apothem, but I need the perimeter. So I'm going to go off to the side and figure out the perimeter. I'm going to draw in a triangle. You draw it either way, but I know every angle of this triangle is 60, so there's little angles right here because it's a regular polygon. The little angles are 30. So if you want to draw your triangle and retrace it in bigger, the 30 and 60, this is different than in a hexagon, so the 30 is the outside angle. So my apothem is 12 right there. Now I'm going to label my three sides the way we talked about in class. The hypotenuse is the 2, the side opposite the 30 is the 1, the side opposite the 60 is 1.732. Again, that's opposite as in a hexagon because the hexagon, the triangle is turned to the side. So we're going to make a proportion here. So 1 over 12 equals 1.732 over x, which is what we're trying to find. And so when you cross multiply to solve that, you have 1.732 times 12. So 20.7. So x equals 20.78, so we'll call it 20.8. That is only this distance right here. So I got to take that number times 2, and that gives me one side, and then take it times 3 because there's 3 sides of the triangle, so 124.7. Plug it in for the perimeter. So 1/2 times 12 times 124.7, 748. Check it, there it is, 748.2. Second one, hexagon. Don't have everything I need yet. Let's check. Area equals 1/2 apothem, don't have it. Perimeter, I can find the perimeter. The perimeter is 8 times 6, so 48. So I know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the apothem. Draw a triangle. Redraw the triangle so you can see the angles. This is the 60 degree this time. This is the 30. Label your sides. 1, 2, 1.732. The bottom of this shape is 8, so the bottom of my triangle here is 4. There's your proportion. 4 over 1. And I need to find the apothem, which is that side right there. 4 over 1 equals the apothem over 1.732. You can use x if you don't like, whatever. So to solve that, 4 times 1.732, 6.928. So the apothem is 6.928. This is why you made a plan, so you're not just throwing random numbers around. 6.928 times 0.5 times 48. 166-ish, whatever, your 0.3. Double check, make sure it works. Boom, good. Okay, we have another hexagon here. Only this is the hexagon to end all hexagons because we don't know the apothem and we don't know the perimeter. So we got to find both. It's still the same triangle. Only we're going to find both sides of this triangle because they both are important parts. So my 16 goes here. This is 30. This is 60. This is my 1. This is my 1.732. And this is my 2. So 2 over 16 equals 1.732 over the apothem. that's the epithem, equals 1 over x. So you blah, 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 cross multiply, solve. You're dividing stuff by 2. So 13.9 and 8. So the bottom of this is 8. You might start to see some trickery. You go, oh, 8, 8. Oh, I might see some things there. Those are both 8. And so our perimeter is 16 times 6, which is 96. And our epithem is 13.9. So 13.9 times 96. 667.2. It says 665.1. Depends on where you round. I didn't round till the end. Okay, keep going. Last type of object we're talking about is a square, and you can try to do the 1/2 AP. Then you remember, you know, square was the first thing I learned to take the area of. All I got to do is find the length of a side. And there's a nice right angle there. If you want, you can change 5 radical 2 to a decimal. 5 times the square root of 2, that's 7.07. So this is 7.07, this is 7.07. And so you go, oh yeah, I use Pythagorean theorem. 7.07 squared plus 7.07 squared equals c squared. And you add those together, and you get about 100. So you go c equals 10. And then some of you stopped and said, I'm done with my answer. That's it, I'm good. C equals 10. And the question says, what is the area? So that's fine. C equals 10. Go back to your picture and label the picture. 10 by 10, the area is 100. It's a rectangle. If you want to do the epithem times the perimeter, you got more work to do. You got to draw this in here. You got to find that. It's a lot more complicated. So don't forget that a square is a square. Okay? Final summary here. If you have a triangle, when you draw in the special right triangle, if this is a regular triangle, an equilateral triangle, the 30-degree angle is here, which means this is 1, this is 2, this is 1.732. If you have a hexagon, crooked, a little bit off center, 60, 30, this is the 1, this is the 1.732, this is the 2. Do you notice the difference? They are rotated. It's the same triangle turned. One is like this. You can't just pick random numbers. They're always opposite. If you learn this with radicals, you learned it that this is 2x, this was x, and this was x radical 3. Always twice as big. X radical 3. Radical 3 is 1.732.